Only 34% of the method students got this exam question right, which suggests that they didn't really understand the graph of the derivative function. So pause the video, try this question, and then comment yes or no if you got the right answer. And if you got it right, well done. But if you didn't, then you need to practice more questions on the graph of the derivative function. Now to do this, just go to Maths Methods Club, group the questions by this topic, select multiple choice, click on filter, and then go through all of these exam questions on this topic. It's going to take you about 25 minutes to go through the questions. This one's 29 seconds, this one's 2 minutes, this one's 1 minute 29, 45 seconds, 55 seconds. So within 25 minutes, you're going to learn all these exam questions on the graph of the derivative function, and you should be able to answer any type of these questions that come up in the exams. For this question, we've got the graph of the function with the equation y is equal to f of x is shown below. Let g be a function such that g dash of x equals f of x. On the interval from a to b, the graph of g will... If the function g dash of x is equal to f of x, then we can also say that this graph is the graph of g dash of x, which is going to be the gradient function of g of x. On the interval from a to b, we're looking at this part of the graph, which is above the x-axis. It's got positive y values, which means the gradient of g of x from a to b is going to be positive, and so the answer is going to be option B. Reading the other options, the graph of g of x will have a local minimum at this point, which is not in the interval from a to b, and it will have a maximum at this point, which again is not on the interval from a to b. And if it was to have a zero gradient from a to b, then the graph would look something like this. And so option B is the only correct answer for this question.